Over 60? This one fruit builds muscle and defeats sarcopenia. After 60, your body naturally begins losing muscle. It's called sarcopenia. You might sense weakness, move more slowly, or experience difficulty staying active. Most individuals believe only exercise and protein assist. But here's what many don't recognize. Some fruits can actually assist in rebuilding and protecting your muscles. Certain fruits are packed with antioxidants, natural sugars, vitamins, and minerals that encourage blood flow, reduce inflammation, improve digestion, and assist your muscles in recovering and staying strong as you age. In this video, we're going to examine 7 powerful fruits that fight muscle loss, boost energy, and assist you in staying active and independent after 60. If you find this video helpful, tap the like button and leave a comment. It really assists more individuals in discovering this content. Let's dive in and see which fruits your muscles are secretly craving. Number 1, dates. Dates are one of those simple fruits that frequently get overlooked, but they're actually one of the optimal foods older adults can consume to assist in rebuilding muscle and recovering their energy back. These little brown fruits have been consumed for thousands of years, and it's not just because they taste sweet and delicious. What makes dates so special is how packed they are with nutrients that directly encourage muscle wellness, particularly for individuals over 60. As we age, our bodies naturally slow down, and muscle loss becomes a serious concern. One of the main reasons for this is that we don't consume as much or move as frequently, so our muscles don't obtain the fuel they require to stay strong. That's where dates enter. Dates are full of natural sugars like glucose and fructose, which provide the body a quick boost of energy, but without the crash you obtain from processed sugar. This steady energy is precisely what aging muscles require to power through walks, workouts, or even just a busy day. When your muscles have sufficient fuel, they can actually rebuild and grow instead of breaking down. But that's not all. Dates are also loaded with potassium, a mineral that plays a huge role in how your muscles move. Potassium assists your muscles in contracting and relaxing properly. If you've ever sensed a sudden cramp in your leg or a twitch that won't disappear, there's a good chance your potassium levels are low. Dates assist in fixing that. Potassium also encourages fluid balance and healthy blood pressure, both of which are important for keeping muscles working the way they should. And here's something even more impressive. Dates are rich in antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids. These powerful plant compounds assist in protecting your muscles from damage caused by oxidative stress, something that gets worse with age. Oxidative stress is like rust inside your body. It slowly damages your cells and tissues, including your muscles. But antioxidants clean that up, assisting your muscles in recovering faster and staying strong longer. And don't forget about vitamin B6. Dates contain a small but important amount of this vitamin, which assists your body in breaking down and using protein. Since protein is the main building block of muscle, obtaining enough B6 makes it easier for your body to convert the food you consume into actual strength. So, when you enjoy a few dates each day, you're not just having a sweet snack. You're providing your muscles the tools they require to recover, grow, and keep you moving well into your later years. Number 2, pomegranates. They're one of the most powerful fruits you can consume when it concerns keeping your muscles strong and healthy after 60. Behind those bright red seeds is a fruit packed with nutrients that encourage your body in ways most individuals don't even recognize. One of the biggest advantages of pomegranates is how they assist in improving blood flow, and that's incredibly important for older adults. As we age, blood circulation naturally gets a bit slower, which makes it harder for oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. That means slower healing, more soreness, and weaker strength over time. But pomegranates are rich in something called polyphenol, particularly a type called punicalagins. These plant compounds assist your body in creating nitric oxide, a natural substance that relaxes and opens up your blood vessels. When blood flows more freely, more oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscle tissue, and that speeds up muscle repair and growth. Simply put, better blood flow means better muscles. If you're someone who tries to stay active but frequently feels sore or worn out for days afterward, this fruit might become your best friend. In fact, studies demonstrate that consuming pomegranate juice before and after exercise can actually assist in reducing muscle soreness and speeding up recovery. That's a huge benefit for individuals over 60 who are doing their best to stay active and independent, but who may require more time to bounce back after a walk, a class, or even a light workout. By adding pomegranate to your routine, you could begin feeling stronger sooner and with less pain holding you back. Pomegranates also bring another significant advantage to the table. They're loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin assists your body in making collagen, a type of protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and joints strong and flexible. Without sufficient collagen, your muscles can feel stiff and they become more prone to injury. And there's more. Pomegranates contain natural nitrates, which assist your muscles in using oxygen more efficiently. That means you may feel less tired during physical activity, and you might be able to move longer without feeling drained. All of these little things accumulate. So when you consume a pomegranate or sip on some juice, you're not just enjoying a delicious fruit. You're feeding your muscles what they require to heal, grow, and stay strong. Number 3, grapes. Grapes may seem like just a tasty treat, but they're actually one of the most powerful fruits for encouraging muscle energy and strength, particularly as we get older. Red and purple grapes in particular contain a natural compound called resveratrol. This antioxidant is like a secret weapon for your muscles because it assists in boosting the function of something called mitochondria. Think of mitochondria as the batteries inside your cells. They create the energy your muscles require to move, heal, and grow. But as we age, these batteries begin to slow down. They don't produce energy like they used to, which is why muscles feel tired more easily, and recovery takes longer. Resveratrol assists in protecting and recharging these energy centers, providing your muscles the power they require to keep going. That's a significant benefit if you're attempting to stay active and independent after 60. Grapes are also extremely hydrating with over 80% water content. As we age, it's easy to forget to consume enough water, and dehydration can sneak up on us, causing muscle cramps, stiffness, and soreness. Consuming grapes assists your body in staying hydrated naturally, which keeps your muscles working smoothly and feeling better after activity. What's more, grapes provide important nutrients like vitamin C, which assists your body in producing collagen, the protein that keeps muscles and connective tissue strong and flexible. They also contain vitamin K, which encourages healthy bones, and strong bones are key to good muscle function. Without a solid foundation, your muscles can't work the way they're supposed to. Grapes also fight inflammation through natural compounds called flavonoids. Inflammation can slowly wear away muscle over time, but grapes assist in keeping that process in check. Plus, they contain manganese, a mineral that assists your body in using protein and creating energy, 2 things essential for muscle repair and growth. So, with every handful of grapes, you're providing your body the tools it requires to stay strong and energized. Number 4, figs. Figs might not obtain as much attention as some other fruits, but they're truly a hidden gem when it concerns encouraging muscle wellness, particularly after age 60. One of the biggest reasons figs are so helpful is because they're packed with fiber. Fiber is essential for keeping your gut healthy, and you might be surprised to learn just how important a healthy gut is for strong muscles. As we age, our digestion naturally slows down, and that means our bodies can struggle to absorb the important nutrients muscles require, like protein and minerals. By consuming fiber-rich fruits like figs, you assist your digestive system in working better. So your muscles actually obtain the fuel and building blocks they require to repair and grow. But fiber is just a start. Figs are also full of minerals like calcium and magnesium, which play key roles in how your muscles work. Calcium is crucial because it assists your muscles in contracting. Without sufficient calcium, you might feel weak or have difficulty moving easily. Magnesium, on the other hand, assists in relaxing your muscles and encourages protein synthesis, which is how your body builds and repairs muscle tissue. Together, these minerals keep your muscles functioning smoothly, assisting in preventing cramps, spasms, or that stiff feeling many seniors know too well. On top of that, figs have a natural sweetness that's perfect for restoring glycogen, the stored energy inside your muscles that gets utilized during any kind of activity or exercise. Refueling glycogen quickly is important because it assists your muscles in recovering faster and reduces fatigue. Plus, Figs bring antioxidants, vitamin K, and vitamin B6 into mix, all of which contribute to muscle recovery and overall wellness. Vitamin K encourages bone and muscle strength, while vitamin B6 assists your body in converting the protein you consume into usable energy and muscle-building materials. When you add figs into your daily diet, you're not just assisting your digestion. You're directly encouraging your muscles' ability to bounce back, stay strong, and keep you moving comfortably as you age. Number 5, pineapple. It's actually a powerful tool for fighting inflammation and assisting your muscles in recovering, particularly as you get older. One of pineapple's standout features is an enzyme called bromelain, which naturally reduces inflammation in your body. This is really important for individuals over 60 because chronic inflammation can slow down muscle healing and make soreness last longer after any kind of activity. Bromelain operates by breaking down proteins that can cause swelling and discomfort, so it assists in reducing muscle pain and stiffness. If you're active or attempting to stay moving, consuming pineapple after exercise can speed up recovery and assist in repairing damaged muscle tissue more quickly. But bromelain isn't the only advantage. Pineapple is also rich in vitamin C, a vital nutrient your body uses to build collagen. Collagen keeps your muscles, tendons, and ligaments strong and flexible, which lowers the chance of injury and assists you in staying active without pain. Pineapple also provides manganese, a mineral that encourages energy production inside your muscle cells. This means your muscles can work harder and recover faster because they're obtaining the fuel they require at a cellular level. Another reason pineapple is an excellent choice for older adults is because it's packed with natural sugars and water. These assist in replenishing your energy and keeping you hydrated after physical activity. Two things your body really requires to bounce back quickly. When you combine all these advantages, pineapple becomes more than just a tasty snack. It's a natural, delicious way to reduce muscle soreness, fight inflammation, and encourage your muscles in staying strong and healthy as you age. Including pineapple in your diet can make a genuine difference in how your muscles feel and how well they recover day after day. Number 6, prunes. One of the biggest challenges for seniors is fighting muscle loss known as sarcopenia, and often at the same time dealing with weaker bones or osteoporosis. Prunes assist on both fronts. They're loaded with powerful antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, which is a major reason our muscles get damaged and weaker over time. By reducing this stress, prunes assist in preserving muscle strength and speeding up recovery after physical activity. But the advantages don't stop there. Prunes contain important nutrients like boron and vitamin K, both of which are key players in keeping your bones strong and dense. Stronger bones provide a solid foundation for your muscles to work properly and assist in lowering the risk of fractures and falls, which is crucial as we get older. When your bones are healthy, your muscles don't have to work as hard to support your movements, and that means you can stay more active and independent longer. Another way prunes assist is by encouraging your digestive system. They're a natural way to keep things moving smoothly in your gut, which might sound simple, but is essential because good digestion means your body can better absorb the nutrients your muscles require, particularly protein, potassium, and calcium. These nutrients are the building blocks for muscle repair, contraction, and overall function. Without proper absorption, even the healthiest diet can fall short. On top of all that, prunes provide vitamin A, which assists with tissue repair, and potassium, which is vital for proper muscle contractions and maintaining fluid balance in your body. Together, these nutrients assist your muscles in staying strong, flexible, and ready to support your daily activities. Adding prunes to your diet isn't just beneficial for digestion. It's a simple, natural way to protect your muscles and bones so you can keep living your life with strength and confidence. Number 7, pears. Pears might seem like a simple everyday fruit, but they quietly pack some powerful advantages when it concerns protecting your muscles as you age. Their mild sweetness and crisp texture make them an easy and enjoyable snack, but the real magic lies in what they accomplish inside your body. Pears are loaded with flavonoids, which are natural antioxidants that assist in protecting your muscle fibers from damage caused by everyday stress and aging. By guarding these fibers, pears slow down the muscle breakdown that tends to occur more quickly after 60, assisting your muscles in recovering and staying stronger for longer. But pears don't just protect your muscles. They also fight inflammation, one of the sneakiest causes of muscle loss over time. The polyphenol found in pears assists in calming chronic inflammation, which can silently wear down muscle strength without you even recognizing it. This anti-inflammatory power makes pears particularly important for seniors who want to maintain muscle wellness and keep moving without pain or stiffness holding them back. Beyond that, pears bring important nutrients like vitamin C, which plays a crucial role in producing collagen. Collagen keeps your muscles, joints, and tendons flexible and strong, so you can avoid injuries and feel comfortable staying active. Pears also provide copper, a mineral that assists in delivering oxygen to your muscles, providing the energy they require to work and repair. Plus, they're rich in fiber, which encourages a healthy gut, and a healthy gut means your body can absorb the protein and minerals your muscles depend on. When you add it all up, pears are a gentle but powerful fruit that encourages muscle strength in several ways. They protect your muscle fibers, reduce harmful inflammation, boost collagen production, improve oxygen delivery, and assist your digestion in running smoothly. And the best part, they taste great and are easy to include in your daily diet. Consuming pears regularly can be a simple step toward rebuilding muscle and feeling stronger, assisting you in keeping your independence and enjoying life after 60. As we've seen, these 7 fruits aren't just tasty. They're powerful allies in assisting to rebuild muscle and slow down muscle loss after 60. From the energy-boosting dates to the inflammation-fighting pineapple, each fruit brings something special to the table. When you include them in your daily meals, you're providing your body the nutrients it requires to stay strong, recover faster, and keep moving with confidence. Remember, taking care of your muscles isn't just about what you consume. It's about making these small changes part of your everyday life. Pairing these fruits with gentle exercise can assist you in feeling stronger, more balanced, and ready to enjoy life to the fullest. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. And before you go, check out our next video on simple exercises perfect for rebuilding muscle after 60. Your strength journey starts here. See you there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really assists the channel Golden Life Health. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on future videos. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching Golden Life Health, and I'll see you in the next video.